Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create meeting link in Microsoft Teams. So first you need to log in to your Microsoft account and then click this calendar icon right here. After that, you have to go to this part and then tap this new meeting, and then here you can set or you can add a name to your meeting, for example seminar. You can also go to the right side and then change some settings here, like change this to everyone. Now you can simply add your team members or invite the people you want to join to this meeting or this seminar. Now you can add their email address. You can also add their name or phone number if you have added them already to your contact list. Okay, after that, you can change or you can set the time here. You can toggle on this all day. Okay, and then after that, you can add here the description or more information about your seminar or new meeting. After that, tap save, and then you can now get the link, copy this one, and then send this to anyone. So this is how you simply invite someone to join to your meeting or to join to your seminar. So all you have to do is to copy link. You can send this to their email address, to their Facebook or their other social media platform. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.